Good morning, my family and friends. My name is Ali Casper. I'm back here in my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to make a healthy breakfast. A very easy way. You can follow this with just 2 or 3 ingredients. And you get full. You get a good breakfast. So I will show you. So please follow me. And those who are not subscribed in my channel, please subscribe over here, like and comment. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you get notified in my next video. My family and friends, push mo na yan para ma-notify ka for my next video. Our smoothie! Cheers!